Good afternoon. This is Randy Smotone with InvestSharp with your Monday, October the 26th market update. Oil continues to pull back today and closed under $79 a barrel. The market started strong this morning and then sold off during the day as the dollar started gaining a little ground. For those of you that don't follow the dollar futures, the currency futures, you can follow along and watch the dollar by watching symbol UUP, which is the one I have up here right now. The Dow added to last Friday's losses and closed down another 104 points to close around the 9,867 level. Only 3 of the 16 sectors we followed finished in the green today. They were the software index, the semiconductor index, and the retail index. Like last Friday, the software index showed the most strength. The weakest sectors were the bank index and the gold index, both down over 4% on the day. Let's go over and take a quick look at some of the stocks to watch in the software and programming sector. So I'll leave that up there for a minute as you can print that or look at that. I guess you can print it if you have like a snapshot software like I do. Stock to watch are the bottom line technologies, lender processing, MicroStrategy, Long Top Financial Technologies, Infosys, SourceFire, Checkpoint Software, BMC Software, and ANSYS. Those all should give you some ideas there in the software and programming area. Let's go back over to the Dow. Look at the Dow on the 6-month. So you can see we still haven't taken out this uptrend line on the Dow. We're getting pretty close to sitting on top of it. We could actually go down a little further before we take it out, but still haven't taken it out yet. Let's go over and look at the SPX. Look at the 60-minute chart on the SPX. So taking a look at the 60-minute chart on the SPX, as you can see down here, the MACD is still going down. So it just keeps going down. So I can't tell if we're going to turn and go back up yet, or if we have further to fall. We could come down here because there is another gap, which we just filled this one here. We've already filled that one. Then we have another gap right down here between the 1,055 and the 1,060 on the S&P. So we may go down and fill that one. We'll just have to wait and see. Let's take a look at the VIX, which is the volatility index. So take a look at it on the 6-month chart. And as you can see, the VIX was up a lot today, up over 9%. It was actually a pretty volatile day. Seems like the last few days we're starting to get a little bit choppier, starting to have bigger intraday swings. So I wouldn't be in a big hurry to, unless you have a stock that you've been waiting to get into and it's pulled back 3 to 5%, I probably wouldn't jump in yet. I would probably hold off. Now let's go over to the InvestSharp website, take a look at the current market signals. We follow the point and figure charts for the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. As I pointed out in my market analysis video last Friday, if the Dow printed 9,900, it would put the Dow on a sell signal on the point and figure chart, and of course it did exactly that. So the new point and figure price objective on the Dow is 9,550, and the Dow is on a sell signal now. I will note that the NASDAQ and the S&P both are still on buy signals, but the NASDAQ is really close to printing a sell signal. The NASDAQ will print a sell signal. In fact, we'll just go over and take a look at it real quick. So if the NASDAQ prints 2,130 right there, see that's how close we are, the NASDAQ will go on a sell signal. So we'll keep our eye out for that. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and remember to always invest sharp.